What's going on, everybody? I am actually out at a racetrack today. We're at a local hobby shop to me. This is a Hobbytown St. Charles in St. Charles, Illinois. It's a Hobbytown, USA. And we're doing a little bit of carpet racing. They've got a little carpet track in the back of their hobby shop. So I've got my TLR 22 5.0 Elite rigged up with the whole carpet setup, sway bars, gear diff, ready to do some carpet racing. So we're gonna see how this works out. I'll keep you guys updated. I think we're doing like 3 qualifiers and a main event. So I'll take you along for the ride and I hope you enjoy. So quick overview of what we're running on our 22 Elite here. So it's a carpet setup, so you got like a little bit harder springs, a little stiffer oil, and then you run sway bars on the car because the carpet has just so much grip. And then you've got like a spike tire in front. This is a Proline Prism, and then we also have a Proline Prism in the front. So it's just a spike tire just to give you a bit more grip on the carpet. And then for electronics, we're running a Hobbywing XR10 Pro ESC. This is a motive motor, and then we have the Spectrum Smart 5000 milliamp LiPo 2S, Spectrum 6245 servo, and then a Spectrum antennaless receiver, all powered with our DX6R. So pretty good setup. The car's been working all right. We'll probably try some setup changes in the qualifiers coming up.
Max, Johnson, and Johnson. Look out for your Max on 2706, Scott 2602, 2604 for Jeff Man out 2504. Finance, Scott 2818, all on the front of the cone, and the team started at 3 races, please, here we go. Work together on the table. Not going to use that one back to the 3 spot. And then can't put it down. All over.
Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for our little race day here at Hobbytown, USA in St. Charles, Illinois. The main event was a little hairy, almost didn't want the win there for a little bit, but ended up wrapping it up and getting the win at the little club race here. So if you guys are in the kind of suburb of Chicago, come check out Hobbytown St. Charles. They got an awesome little hobby shop and a little carpet track, so definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching guys, and let me know what you want to see in the future.